In this video we are going to show you how to connect your WhatsApp to Flowise AI using Growmessage.com. Click on Settings then AI Chatbot. In this section we are going to put the API URL that can be found in Flowise. Click on Update to see the options. Now, let's head over to Flowise to create a chatbot that we can connect to our WhatsApp. In this example, we are going to connect a fitness bot that will be integrated with our WhatsApp number. Just to briefly review the bot, we are using Llama 3.8b using Grok as our AI chat model. We added a buffer memory to save the chat history, which we will connect to our conversation chain. Now, let us review the prompt instructions we have given the bot by clicking on additional parameters. We have instructed the bot to act as an AI fitness bot that will provide fitness advice and collect necessary information from the user. Make sure to save the changes. To grab the API URL, click on the embed script icon and then copy the API URL. This is the URL that we will paste in Growmessage to connect our WhatsApp number. Now, let's head back to Growmessage, go to Settings, then AI Chatbot. Click on Update then paste the API URL that we have copied in Flowise. Click on Save. Now, let's test our bot by heading over to WhatsApp. Now it will start asking for information such as your age, weight, height and fitness goal. Once all of the information has been provided, the bot will give a detailed fitness plan. With Growmessage it's super simple to connect your Flowise bot with WhatsApp. This is the end of our tutorial. All the important links are available in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.